In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where there's no sound on your Samsung phone. So if you can't hear anything on your Samsung, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. Now, the first thing you need to do is just tilt your phone onto the side like this, and you need to go and press the volume up button a few times and just make sure the volume slider is turned up like you see here. Once you've done that, you can head over to the phone settings page, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. At the very top, make sure you have sound selected like this. You could then click on volume and make sure all of these different sliders are turned up like you see here. You could then come back over to the previous window, scroll down to the bottom and click on separate app sound. Make sure this feature is turned off like you see here. You could then use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of your phone, scroll over to the right hand side and make sure your Bluetooth is turned off and disabled, as it could be the case that your audio is trying to be played out of a Bluetooth device. Now, if it's still not working, you may need to go and power cycle your device. So to do this, tilt your phone onto the side like so. And you need to hold down the volume down button and the power button at the same time. So let's do this together now. We're going to hold down the volume down button and also the power button and keep holding these two buttons down for around about 45 seconds. Now, after about 15 seconds, the screen is going to go completely black. Make sure to continue to hold these two buttons down until eventually you're going to see the Samsung logo appear. Now, as soon as you see this Samsung logo, that's when you can go and release these two buttons. You can then wait for your phone to restart and the sound should now be working.